Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store
E5,
knight f3,
knight C6,
bishop b5,
A6,
bishop a store,
knight F6,
castles kingside,
bishop E7,
well a1,
B5,
bishop b3,
castles kingside,
c3,
D5,
a captures on d5,
knight captures on D5,
knight captures on a5,
knight captures on E5,
well captures on a5,
C6,
d store,
bishop D6,
well a1,
queen H4,
d3,
queen H3,
bishop a3,
bishop G4,
queen d3,
rook A8,
knight d2,
queen H5,
bishop c2,
F5,
f3,
bishop captures on F3,
knight captures on f3,
queen captures on F3,
bishop d2,
queen captures on D3,
bishop captures on d3,
F4,
well captures on a8,
rook captures on E8,
king f2,
F captures on G3, check,
h captures on d3,
C5.
C. Store.
Knight B6.
C. Captures on B5.
C4.
Bishop F1.
A. Captures on B5.
Bishop G2.
Rook F8. Check.
Bishop F3.
Bishop E7.
Bishop A5.
Knight A4.
B3.
Bishop F6.
King G2.
Bishop captures on D4.
Rook F1.
Rook captures on F3.
Rook captures on F3.
Knight B2.
Rook F5.
C3.
Rook captures on B5.
C2.
Rook B8. Check.
King F7.
Rook C8.
Knight D1.
Bishop D2.
Bishop C3.
Bishop C1. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.